Actually for the better, and it brings me so much joy when I sing it in situations like this. And again, I wish that was something I could have told my 21-year-old self, that people are going to sing this song with you one day, and that, you know, we can sing sad songs even when we're happy. It's okay, you know, and we can also be sad and sing happy songs. That's the absolute brilliance of music. But for some reason, I'm feeling very moved by this song tonight, more than usual. And I can't thank you enough for giving me your time, for making so much effort to come to my show. I can't thank the organisers and my crew and everyone. Everyone has been incredible. When we first arrived here like a month ago, I was looking at the site like, fucking hell, it's not built. You know, what the fuck? And I honestly only would have trusted the Germans with it. If it was anyone else, I'd have been like, fuck it, it's not going to be ready. But you've done this incredible job. Thank you for letting me do basically whatever I want to do. This screen is meant to look like a scroll, as in a piece of paper that you take up, you know, you can pick up and take home with you. And I hope that you've enjoyed all the content. We've worked our fucking arse off for it. And I'm deeply moved to be here and be able to do this kind of residency of this scale in a country that I'm not from. Honestly, it's very, very amazing. And let's do this song together. I'll probably cry quite a lot, so you might have to be the singer tonight. Alright, I'm ready. I want to hear you first, and then I'll come in with you. Go on then. Then I can have my ear out so I can hear you. Let me hear you and then I'll start. Come on then, let's do it together from the top.